Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2004 Honda Rebel 250. This lightweight twin-cylinder cruiser just arrived with only 9,800 miles. Really cool Harley-esque styling on this Rebel. They've been making this bike for about 30 years. I know how many people have learned how to ride on a Rebel 250. Well, this one's here for you. Come on by and check it out. Make your Rebel 250 dreams come true for just $29.95. It's a little too old for financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.